The 2016 GMC Yukon key fob uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the key fob near the key ring. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry open the case halves. Be very careful not to damage the internal circuit or the rubber gasket, which protects against moisture. Disconnect the emergency key to prevent accidental scratches during this process. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive side is usually facing up. You can use the screwdriver or your fingernail to pop the battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, making sure it snaps into place. Reassemble the key fob case, pressing firmly until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If it doesn't work, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for reprogramming instructions.